Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Epix Pro Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. We can check the amount of the calories burned on this watch in a couple ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. If you press and hold the middle button to open the menu and select the watch face, it will open the watch face menu, and here we can scroll through the list of watch faces. And you can find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it. When the menu appears, instead of tapping on apply, scroll down, find the data option, tap on it, and here you can change the widgets on your watch face. And if you tap on the widget, or no, never mind, if you swipe up and down to change the widget, my bad, you can also use the up and down buttons. So scroll through the list of widgets and find the calorie one. Once you find it, you can press the start button to continue, and you can go through the rest of widgets, and once you're done, you can select apply and the watch face will be applied. And as you can see now, the amount of the calories burned is displayed on the screen. Another way to check it is to open the glances. And to open the glances, wake up the screen, and on the home screen, swipe up or down on the screen and find the health page or health glance and tap on it. And I believe here we should see the calories burned, or we don't, never mind. So what we can do is go back, and in the glances menu, press and hold the middle button. Oh, never mind. It should be working. So press and hold the middle button in the glances menu. Okay, find the add glance option, and once you find the add glance, oh my bad, add glance, tap on it. Here scroll through the list of glances, look for the calories and tap on it to add it. And now in the glances you will see the calories glance, and you can see your progress. You can also tap on it, I believe, to see more detailed information. And the last way to check it is in the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can basically check it in the app. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring the phone here, unlock it, zoom out the camera. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can basically check it. So we can open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, you should see the home page. And on the home page, if you scroll down, I believe you will see the calories burned right here. And you can tap on it to open the calories details. But you can also tap on more, I believe, activities? No, health stats. Yes, health stats and calories. And here we can check more detailed statistic, as you can see. And we have like daily progress, or no, it's weekly progress, never mind. And you can see the amount for every day, total, and stuff like that. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you how you check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.